Okay, folks. Hope you guys are having an awesome day. So today we're making some potatoes. The other day we made potatoes with dry fish. Today we're making potatoes or aloo with smoked fish because we just love potatoes and smoked fish and dry fish.
Yeah,
So,
or fry fish.
or fried fish. So,
Yeah.
all right. So,
And what I like to do, of course, on my green seasoning. And put in some onion, some sauce, some scallions, some tomatoes in here.
okay, folks. So, yep, here we are sauteing our onions and scallions, tomatoes, peppers. Then we're gonna add some smoked fish, which has been seasoned up just with salt and black pepper, some sazon, red wine vinegar.
Yeah, we season our fish.
Guys, you know what else is good with smoked fish? When you make smoked fish with eggs and you have it with bakes or floats, as some people call it, or pancakes, like breakfast, it's so good.
I like mine with a roasty.
Yeah.
I wrap it up, stuff it
Oh,
up.
okay.
Yeah. Oh, smoked fish smells really, really good. I'll put a little bit more oil.
Okay, that's good.
Yeah, we're trying to keep away from the oil.
But this is olive oil we're using, so I guess there's no harm in a little bit of extra oil. Yeah, this is olive oil, extra virgin olive oil.
You got a lot of seasoning left back there.
Yeah. I would put some water in there, rinse the plate and put it in there. Yep. To get all the seasoning out. Just a little bit of water.
Yeah, a little bit of water wouldn't hurt.
Yeah. Perfect.
Now we're gonna add our potatoes in here. This is a different way. Just cut it a little bigger.
Yummy.
Yum, yum.
Yum yum is right.
Guys, just to let you know, Nalini make the best aloo curry with egg, boiled egg inside. Yeah, and she make an awesome chicken curry too. She made chicken curry the other day. That was amazing.
You liked it, huh?
Yeah.
Check it out on our channel, guys. Cooking and Traveling with Avisha Nalini. You'll see my curry chicken. It looked really good in the video, but trust me, it tastes even better.
Yeah. Only if you guys could have tasted.
Yeah. Alright, we'll let that cook up for a little bit and we'll be back. Alright guys, so here's our potato and smoked fish cooking up. We like when the fish melt up in the food. So that's why we put it in the beginning. But if you want like whole pieces, I guess you put it later on in the cooking process. So we're going to add some additional seasoning, such as crushed pepper seeds. Have that going. I think that's enough, honey.
You think so?
Yeah, we don't want to spice it up too much now.
Put in some black pepper.
Yeah.
That's good too.
Yeah.
Put in some thyme. Okay?
Some basil. Dry basil.
Dry basil.
Otherwise known as married man pork to the Guyanese people.
You get a chili pepper. Is that good enough, or
Yeah, that's
should we
good.
put in some more?
Chili peppers, that's fine.
Two for me and one for you.
No, 2 for me, 2.5 for me and half for you. Hopefully I got my fractions correct.
Guys, sometimes I borrow a piece of pepper from her plate.
When are you gonna pay me back my pepper?
Put in some salt in here. Because this is almost done.
And you can cut up your potatoes smaller. It's whatever you're comfortable with, whatever
Your
you
preference.
like. Your preference. Good word, babe. Good job. So,
Yeah, this is almost done cooked there.
so we're gonna let it simmer for a few more minutes.
Another 5 minutes
And
more.
we shall be back. Guys, we're back.
Yum, yum. As you guys can see, this is already cooked.
whoa.
Look at that.
Nice.
Yeah. And that pepper the sweet pepper that we put in already loosed up some flavor in there. It's gonna be nice and stinging, kind of hotty.
And if you want, we could just like maybe cut the potatoes and like the
Yeah.
bigger pieces. We could just slice it up. Yeah,
Yeah.
make it more of a bite-sized piece. Yeah, the bigger pieces,
It's fine.
or it's just preference.
So we got some nice fried potato with smoked fish here.
Guys, this would go good with roti or pita bread or cartwheels, as they
Yeah.
say. Yeah.
Or baked.
Or baked.
or whatever kind of roti or bread you guys have. This would go good with it. Tortillas, Mexican rotis, you know, African rotis.
Tortillas,
Yeah.
Anyway, so here is our potatoes with smoked fish. We'll be posting this soon on our channel, Cooking and Traveling with Fish and Nalini. Hope you guys are enjoying the channel. You're having fun watching it. Make sure you share it to your friends and family. Give us a like on the videos. Leave us a comment. Let us know how much you're enjoying or not enjoying our videos, because we take constructive criticism, so that's quite all right. Anyways, if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing if you like what you see, so that we can continue to bring more awesome videos, cooking videos. Okay, until then, ciao, peace out.